Are you looking for the top 5 best facial cleansing brushes reviewed? Hey everyone, I recently took the plunge and tested out 5 facial cleansing brushes that caught my eye. I know how overwhelming it can be to find the right one, and believe me, I don't want you to waste your money on the wrong products. I bought these brushes and put them to the test, so let's dive in and see which ones really deliver on their promises. Product number 1, Pre-Tech Facial Cleansing Brush, Pink. When I first got my hands on the Pre-Tech Facial Cleansing Brush, I was excited but also a bit skeptical. Priced at just $12.84, I wondered if it would really live up to the hype. The design is compact and user-friendly, and I love that it comes in a soft pink color, which adds a nice touch to my skincare routine. The silicone material felt gentle on my skin, and I appreciated that it's odorless and waterproof. I started off by charging it, which was super easy with the included USB cable, although you'll need to provide your own adapter. Once it was charged, I couldn't wait to test out its 5 adjustable vibration levels. The low settings were perfect for a gentle cleanse, while the higher levels felt invigorating, almost like a mini facial massage. I noticed that it effectively removed dirt, oil, and even makeup residue, leaving my skin feeling fresh and clean. One of the standout features for me was the heated massage metal head. After cleansing, I applied my serum and used the heated end to massage it into my skin. It's amazing how much better the product absorbed. It felt luxurious and really helped my skincare routine feel like a mini spa experience at home. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Pre-Tech brush is incredibly affordable and performs well across various skin types. The adjustable vibration levels are a game changer, and the heated massage feature is just the cherry on top. However, I did find that the battery life could be better. Frequent charging might be a hassle for some. Product number 2, the Causeless Facial Cleansing Brush. Next up is the Causeless Facial Cleansing Brush, which I was eager to try out. This sleek navy blue brush retails for the same price as the Pre-Tech at $12.84. Right off the bat, I was impressed by the sophisticated design and the feel of the silicone. It's lightweight and fits comfortably in my hand, making it easy to maneuver while cleansing. What caught my attention was the promise of advanced deep cleansing technology. The brush claims to remove 99.9% of dirt and oil, and I was curious to see if it could live up to that. With 5 different cleaning modes, I was able to customize my experience based on my skin's needs. The smart memory function was a nice touch, allowing me to easily switch back to my preferred setting. I tested it on a day when I had on heavier makeup, and I was pleasantly surprised by how well it worked. It didn't just cleanse my skin, it felt like it was detoxing my pores. The thicker bristles at the top were perfect for reaching those tricky spots like around my nose and chin. After using it, my skin felt cleaner and looked brighter. I even noticed that my serums absorbed more effectively afterward. As for the pros and cons, I have to say the 50-day battery life is a standout feature. I charged it once and it lasted longer than I expected. The brush is also waterproof, making it safe to use in the shower, which is a bonus for someone like me who loves multitasking. On the downside, while the design is sleek, it could be slightly bulkier for some users. So why should you buy the Causeless Facial Cleansing Brush? If you want a brush that combines deep cleansing with versatile modes and a stylish design, product number 3, Causeless 2-in-1 Facial Cleansing Brush. The next product on my list is another offering from Causeless, a 2-in-1 facial cleansing brush. This model caught my eye because of its dual functionality and affordable price point of $12.18. Upon unboxing, the first thing I noticed was its sleek design and the 2 different brush heads that it comes with. One is softer for sensitive skin, while the other is designed for deep cleaning. I was really excited to test the rotating feature. The brush has 2 rotation speeds, which I found to be incredibly effective for different cleansing needs. Using it at a lower speed felt like a gentle massage, which was perfect for my sensitive skin days, while the higher speed was fantastic for a deep clean on days when my skin felt particularly clogged. After a week of regular use, I noticed a significant reduction in blackheads, and my skin felt smoother overall. The brush head's silicone material made cleaning it a breeze, and I loved that I could use it in the shower without worrying about damage. In terms of pros and cons, the rotating feature is a definite pro as it allows for thorough cleaning without too much effort. The two brush heads cater to different skin types, which adds to its versatility. However, I did find that while it claims to have a long lifespan, I suspect the motor might wear down faster with heavy use. So why should you consider this 2-in-1 brush? If you want versatility and the ability to customize your cleansing experience. Product number 4, Prytech Facial Cleansing Brush in green. The next contender is the Prytech Facial Cleansing Brush in a fresh green color. This brush is almost identical to the pink version, but has its own unique charm. Retailing at $12.84, its features are impressive, particularly the vibrating exfoliation capability. I was eager to see how effective it would be at cleansing my skin and if the heated massage end would enhance my routine. Using this brush was a delight. I started with the cleansing modes, which left my skin feeling refreshed and clean. The soft silicone bristles felt gentle yet effective, and I appreciated the adjustable vibration levels. After my initial cleanse, I decided to test the heated massage feature, and wow, it was like giving my face a warm hug. The warmth helped my skincare products penetrate deeper into my skin, which I noticed immediately. As for pros and cons, I found the compact size made it easy to store and travel with, which is a must for me. The ability to adjust vibrations is a huge plus, ensuring that I can cater to my skin's needs. On the downside, the battery life isn't as long as I would like. Frequent charging might be a deal breaker for some. So, why should you buy the Prytech Facial Cleansing Brush in green? If you're looking for a multifunctional tool that provides both. Product number 5, Rampula 2-in-1 Facial Cleansing Brush, which is a bit different from the others on this list. Priced at just $8.98, this manual brush offers a unique spin with its dual-ended design. One end is a silicone applicator for masks, and the other end is a soft scrubber for gentle cleansing. Immediately, I was intrigued by its versatility. I've often struggled with applying masks evenly, and this tool made it so much easier. The spoon-shaped end allowed me to scoop out product from jars without mess, while the bristle end provided a gentle cleanse afterward. I've been using it for both my clay masks and daily cleansing, and it has performed beautifully. Pros include its affordability and the fact that it's made of safe, skin-friendly silicone. It's also reusable and easy to clean, which is a huge plus for anyone concerned about hygiene. However, since it's manual, it doesn't provide the deep cleaning benefits of an electric brush. So why should you consider the Rampula 2-in-1 Facial Cleansing Brush? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that can apply masks as well as cleanse, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect. There you have it, folks. 5 fantastic facial cleansing brushes, each with their unique set of features and benefits. Whether you're looking for something affordable, versatile, or luxurious, there's a brush on this list for you. I hope my experiences help you make an informed decision. Remember, taking care of your skin doesn't have to break the bank. Happy cleansing!